Hello friends, welcome. Standard 12th, chapter number 5, Continuity and Differentiability. In Standard 12th, this is the most important chapter for board point of view and also many of the competitive exam that point of view. The first topic is continuity. What is continuity? Means what? Continuous function. Every equation has an graphical solution and that graph is continuous. If the graph is break on that point, then the graph is discontinuous. Then the function must be discontinuous at some point. So we must remove that discontinuity. हमें वो जो discontinuity है उसे remove करना है और for that purpose we study the continuity topic. Now see definition number 1. That suppose f is a real function on a subset of the real number and let C be the point in the domain of f, then f is continuous at C if limit x tends to C f of x equals to f of C. This is the definition. If f is continuous at C. If it is not continuous, then we say that f is discontinuous at C. C is called point of discontinuity if it is not continuous. Now, depend on this, we will take some examples on (5.1) that prove that the function f of x is equals to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equals to 0, x equals to minus 3 and x equals to 5. Let f of x is equals to 5x minus 3. Check for the continuity at x equals to 0. At x equals to 0. Then, as the limit says that limit x tends to c, f of x equals to f of c. For x tends to c. Here x tends to 0. So, we will see that limit x tends to 0 of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0. f of x is what? 5x minus 3. Then we can replace x as tends to 0. It tends to 0 means what? It is nearly equal to 0 but not exactly equal to 0. That 5 limit x tends to 0 of x minus 3. Because 3 is a constant quantity, so it will be never affected by this limit. Then 5, put up the limit, it is equal to what? 0 minus 3. Then 5 into 0, 0 minus 3. The answer becomes minus 3. Now put up f of 0. As f of x is equals to 5x minus 3. f of x equals to 5x minus 3. Put up 0, then what? X replacing with 0. 5 into 0 minus 3. So this is what? 5 into 0 minus 3. That is 5 minus 0 is 0 minus 3. It is equals to minus 3. Then we say that limit x tends to 0 f of x is equals to minus 3. But minus 3 equals to what? F of 0. Then we say limit x tends to 0 f of x is equals to f of 0. And this satisfies the definition. The definition says that what? Limit x tends to c f of x equals to f of c. It is same here. Limit x tends to 0 f of x equals to f of 0 because दोनों time the value becomes with minus 3. Hence function is continuous. Function is continuous at x is equals to minus 3. Sorry, x equals to 0. Same you can do that x equals to minus 3 and x equals to 5. Also example number 2 becomes same, that f of x equals to 2x square minus 1, and it will be checked at x equals to 3. Same we can do it, that put up the limit term, limit x tends to 3, f of x is equals to what? Limit x tends to 3. What is f of x? It is 2x square minus 1. Then that limit for only x, so 2 is a constant quantity for that limit. Then limit x tends to 3 of x whole square minus 1. Then we can take value to put up, that 2 into 3 square minus 1, that is 2 into 3 square is 9 minus 1, that 18 minus 1 is equals to 17. Now also, as f of x is equals to 2x square minus 1, then f of 3 is equals to what? Put up 3, replacing x equals to 3, that is 3 square minus 1, that again 2 into 9 minus 1, that equals to 18 minus 1, then replacing it what? That's 17. Hence limit x tends to 3, f of x is equals to what? F of 3. This is satisfies the condition of continuity. Therefore function is continuous at x equals to 3. We say that function is continuous. Now these examples we can solve if we have the checking the discontinuity. Now if we don't have the numbers, then check the discontinuity, but without x equals to what? Then x equals to c. Let we take constant. So that type of examples, that example number 3 becomes here 5.1. Examine the following functions for continuity. F of x equals to x minus 5. Second, f of x equals to 1 upon x minus 5. Third, f of x equals to x square minus 25 upon x plus 5, where x is not equal to minus 5. And f of x equals to modulus of x minus 5. We will take it. From that of all four, we will take b, that f of x is equals to 1 upon x minus 5, where x is not equals to 5. It is given that, because clearly when we put x equals to 5, it becomes 5 minus 5, it is 0. 1 by 0, it's infinity. Infinity means what? It will be break. Continuity is breaking. But here we given that x is not equals to 5. Then limit x tends to c, f of x, for taking c, be any number. Then limit x tends to c, that 1 upon f of x is equals to x minus 5. Here c is not equals to 5. Put up the limit, that 1 upon c minus 5. That equation number 1, suppose. C minus 5. Equation number 1. Now put up f of c, as f of x equals to 1 upon x minus 5. Then x equals to c, then put up, replace f of c is equals to 1 upon c minus 5, because replacing c. Just check it, equation number 2. By 1 and 2, we say that limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. And then we say that function is continuous for every constant except x इज इक्वल टू 5। वो 5 छोड़ के बाकी हर जगह के लिए ये फंक्शन हमारा कंटिन्यूस बनने वाला है। सेम हियर एज अ डी वी कैन टेक इट, then d is equals to what? The example d, f of x is equals to modulus of x minus 5. Now here there are three conditions, that if x is greater than 5, x is less than 5 and x equals to 5, at x equals to 5 then f of x becomes 0 because 5 minus 5 is 0. Now as x is greater than 5, x is greater than 5, f of x is becomes that 5 greater than means what? That 6, 7, 8 may be any number. So all value is what? Positive of a. Then it suppose positive numbers. All numbers are positive. So we will take what? X minus 5. Positive of x minus 5. And x is less than 5. It may be chance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then f of x is equals to what? Negative of x minus 5. Because the answer becomes negative. Then there are three conditions. F of x equals to first x minus 5 0 and minus of x minus 5, that x is greater than 5, x is equals to 5 and x is less than 5. All three conditions we will take it, check all the discontinuity of their functions. Clearly as f of x is equals to x minus 5, function is continuous. When we put up f of c, then limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to what? Limit x tends to c, that x minus 5, that is c minus 5, and f of c is equals to what? X minus 5, that is f of x is equals to, then f of c is equals to c minus 5. All are equal and hence limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. Clearly you can do all the remaining terms. That second is what? For 0, limit x tends to 0, x tends to 5, f of x is equals to what? It is equal to 0, that 5 minus 5 again 0, function is continuous. And same for less than 5, it again the answer is what? Minus c by 5, that again the answer becomes same and hence what? Function is continuous. So we say that function is continuous everywhere. हर जगह के लिए वो फंक्शन हमारा कंटिन्यूअस है। इस प्रकार से आप एग्जांपल्स इजीली कर पाओगे एज यूजिंग द डेफिनेशन नंबर 1। सेम नंबर 4, उसमें भी आंसर हमारे पास आने वाला है। एग्जांपल्स है f of x is equals to f to the power n is an continuous function. That polynomial function is becomes here. Prove that the function f of x is equals to f to the power n is continuous at x equals to n. Clearly when we put up c, then f of c is equals to c to the power n, and limit x tends to c, it is again c to the power n, hence function is continuous. F of x is equals to f to the power n is a polynomial which continuous for all x to the power x tends to n, hence f is continuous at x tends to n, that x equals to n. Let me take it next example. That function f is defined as f of x is equals to x if x is less than 1 and it is equals to 5 if x is greater than 1. Is continuous at x equals to 0, x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. For this solving the examples, we must know that second type of definition. This definition we will take in the next period. Till then, have a safe study. Goodbye. Thank you.